Afghan refugees staged a protest before the office of the UNHCR in Indian capital New Delhi on Monday, seeking refugee cards, resettlement options to a third country, and security from the international body and the Indian government. Thousands of people are scrambling to flee Afghanistan after the Taliban took control of the country. Meanwhile, the second batch of 146 Indian nationals who were evacuated from Afghanistan via Doha arrived in the national capital on Monday on various flights. Afghan refugees, including women and children living in Indian capital New Delhi on Monday, held protests to draw the attention of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees (UNHCR) and the Indian government to their plight, demanding refugee cards, resettlement options to a third country and security. A large number of desperate Afghans are fleeing Afghanistan following the takeover of the war-torn country by the Taliban. Taliban entered Afghan capital Kabul on August 15 after rapidly taking over much of the country. India's Foreign Ministry on August 17 said that India will issue emergency e-visas to Afghan nationals who want to come to the country in view of the prevailing crisis in their country.
इंडिया गवर्नमेंट और यूनिटसीआर अभी 10-15 साल से कोई प्रोटेक्शन नहीं किया, कोई इकोनॉमी के हिस्से से हेल्थ एजुकेशन और कुछ नहीं है हमारे लिए। आज के बाद हमारे लिए कोई इनकम नहीं है। अफगानी यहाँ बगैर कोई इनकम रहते हैं, इसके लिए तो ज़रूर कुछ प्रोटेक्शन ज़रूरी है।
हमें यूनिसेफ से रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे फ्यूचर के लिए कुछ करें, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना हम पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं और ना काम कर सकते हैं।
Meanwhile, the world is closely watching the unfolding situation in Afghanistan as the countries have scrambled to evacuate their citizens from Afghanistan in an attempt to secure their people. India on Sunday brought back nearly 400 people, including 329 of its nationals in 3 different flights. The second batch of 146 Indian nationals who were evacuated from Afghanistan via Doha arrived in the national capital on Monday on various flights.